In today's video, we will drive around Fort Macleod and talk about its future potential. Fort Macleod is experiencing a period of modest yet meaningful growth, with several key developments reflecting opportunities for residents, workers, and businesses. You may notice that Fort Macleod is filled with historic buildings, but there is new growth here as well. A brand new subdivision on the east side called Macleod Landing launched in April of 2024, with Phase 2 releasing 14 new lots in April of 2025. It features a mix of lot sizes, green spaces, and commercial potential, ideal for families or developers looking to build homes. Due to the increasing difficult cost of living in Canada, Fort Macleod approved an affordable housing project on 9th Street via BB Block Commercial Incorporated, with up to 10% of units rent-controlled at 60% of market rate and 20% barrier-free accessibility. Lower-income families and those on fixed incomes now have a place to live. In July 2024, the town completed paving 1.3 kilometers of new scenic riverfront pathways, doubling the length to 2.5 kilometers. This enhances pedestrian and recreational infrastructure and is an initiative for tourism and residents alike, as it allows for a scenic, safe pathway system to define the town. Fort Macleod has recently made terrific strides in enhancing its recreational offerings, with a new outdoor aquatic center, upgraded parks, and modern amenities that serve both families and youth. Completed in 2021 at a cost of $3.1 million, the new 7,100 square foot outdoor pool facility replaced the old leaky basin that had served the town for 60 years. The new pool includes a 6-lane, 25-meter competition area certified for Swim Alberta events. It has a beach entry family zone with water sprays, dump buckets, and bubbly play spaces. It has a lazy river and hydrotherapy feature, a 1-meter diving stand, and a 16-foot climbing wall. It has a 21-foot double loop water slide installed post-opening to complete this facility. The 150th Park is brand new as well. Located on 9th Ave between 4th and 5th Avenue, the new park's Phase 1 includes sidewalks, lighting, and basic chain and post fencing, designed to serve the area's growing residential population. There is also the Centennial Park and Spray Park to enjoy. This large, inclusive playground and splash pad features wheelchair-friendly surfaces, picnic spots, shade structures, washrooms, and strong community acclaim. It also houses the town's 4,100 square foot skateboard plaza, with beginner-friendly banks, rails, bowls, and more. Council's latest budget also includes Empress Theatre renovations, a cemetery expansion, sewer, water, wastewater, and alleyway upgrades, new arena flooring, library roof repairs, taxiway, and water line installations. And Fortis Alberta is completing major electricity distribution upgrades this year, including pole relocations and undergrounding of lines for improved reliability. And Fort Macleod isn't stopping there. To attract residents and businesses to Fort Macleod, they are offering non-residential properties up to 100% tax exempt for the first year, and it tapers off after 3 years. Multi-unit residential units receive 100% exemption for the first year in taxes, and then it tapers off in 4 years. A $28.5 million manufacturing facility was announced in November of 2023, creating 33 permanent jobs plus construction work. And recently, a French company proposed a 790-acre solar farm with battery storage near town, potentially bringing construction jobs and long-term economic benefits to Fort Macleod. For residents, new housing developments and affordable housing means more options and community growth. For workers, the manufacturing expansion at Structural Truss adds blue-collar and technical jobs. Construction jobs are available through infrastructure projects. Tax breaks encourage new businesses in retail, services, and housing. For entrepreneurs and investors, infrastructure, subdivision, and incentives create fertile ground for new enterprises, especially in commercial retail, hospitality, and sustainable energy. Fort Macleod is far from stagnant. Instead, the town is strategically reinvigorating itself, building homes, improving public spaces, updating essential services, and supporting business growth. If you're considering moving, starting a business, or investing locally, the momentum here offers both opportunity and support from town council and provincial partners. In our last video, we did a walk around through historic downtown to give you a flavor of what this little town has to offer. In our last video, we did a walk around through historic downtown to give you a flavor of what this little town has to offer. In our next video, we will share some historic photos of the town. If you found this video helpful or insightful, click that like button and consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our future videos. I really appreciate the support. Let's continue our little drive around town together.